Hey guys, let's go ahead and check out these ESCALURE T5 open ear earbuds that I received for reviewing purposes. They are a wireless earbuds that are open ear design, which I think that it's great. This is the main unit, and right off the bat, I think that it's great that it has a semi-clear design. The carrying case, obviously, it's really sleek and it doesn't take that much space. But through here, you can see the battery percentage of each one of the earbuds and the overall percentage of charge, which I think that it's really nice. We also get some accessories in here, like a USB Type-C charging cable to Type-A that you just connect right here. And you connect it to the electrical outlet with an adapter, which I think that it's nice. And we also get the user manual with all the important information about this earbuds, which I think that it's nice, how to operate it and how to connect them, which I think that it's really great that comes included. Okay, so let's go ahead and test them out. As I've said, they are open ear, so they don't enter into your canal. You just place them over it like this, which is a really comfortable feeling, and I think that that's nice. The ear hooks are made with a titanium alloy and a skin-safe material, so it doesn't bother you at all. And I think they're great because you can be moving around, doing some exercise like going outside and running, and they won't fall off because they are over your ear, covering it all, and it feels really nice. As you can see, you can use them to go do some outdoors activities or even in the gym, and well, they are IPX7 waterproof rated, so you can take them outside while you're running. They don't have any kind of troubles with being wet or all, and they can even withstand the sweat, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and connect them to test them out. We're gonna go onto the settings of our phone and connect them as a regular earbuds, which makes it really easy and really quick. Okay, now that they are connected, I think that it's important to mention then that you can connect them to two different devices simultaneously, and you can go with one device upon the other really quickly, which I think that it's really great. As I've said, I'm testing them out. They have a nice sound quality, which I think that it's perfect. It has a 18.2 millimeters driver, and they have a OpenBass 2 technology, so you can have a nicer sound in your earbuds. And I think that it's great that you can connect them with the touch control that they are with them. By pressing them upon the surface, you can pause the song, jump to the next one, or get back to the other one, which I think that it makes it easy because that way you can be running outside doing some exercise and still, without having to take out your phone, you can just pause the music and everything. Something that I think that it's great is that they have a total of 4 microphones, so you can take out easily some calls outside, and they also have AI noise cancellation system, so when you're outside and you take a call, anyone will realize that you are outside and not at your house, which I think that it's really nice. They also have a 8 hours total time battery life, which I think that it's nice with just a single charge. So if you have your case with you, you can be using them for 8 hours, then charge them a bit, and still being able to use them up to 16 hours in total, which I think that it's great. You don't have to worry about the low battery or anything. It makes them really practical. As I've said, the dual connection, it's really great, and something that I think that it's nice, it's that it also has a smooth change between your devices. For example, if you're watching a TV upon your computer and you receive a phone call, the earbuds will connect automatically to your cell phone swiftly without any kind of interruption, which I think that it's great. So overall, they are perfect for workout, doing some outdoors activities, or anything that you want. They feel of an amazing quality, and you can even be chilling at your house and be listening to music. As they are open ear, you can still be able to listen all your surroundings, which I think that it's great. And overall, they are really solid, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.